Welcome back, boys and girls. It's Miss Serwick.
And Mr. Sykes.
And today you are going to be identifying writing numbers 1 to 10. So I need you to get your whiteboard, your dry erase marker, your counting cubes, and your 10 frame. So go ahead and pause this video and gather those stuff and so we can get started. All right, welcome back. First thing we're going to do is our 10 frame finger count. I'm going to hold up a 10 frame and you're going to show me that number with your fingers. Okay, show me. Should have held up 8 fingers. Right. Show me with your fingers. And what number is that?
Number 9.
Good job. All right, show me your fingers.
What number did you have? Number 4.
All right, show me. Number 1, good job. Show me.
Number 6.
Okay, you can show me.
Number 3.
Good job. And show me.
He's got that one right. Good job.
0.
No fingers. Number 0 means none.
Show me. Good job. You should have held up 5. And show me. Good job. Show me. Good job. Number 2. And last one.
Ooh.
All filled up. So it should be the number 10.
10. Good job.
Good job. All right. Mr. Sykes has a story to read to you on how to write your numbers.
I do. We're learning in class that our children have not practiced their numbers enough, writing them. Excuse me. But so what we're going to do right now is I've got a book and it's called I Can Write Numbers. Now, just as a little review from Ms. Cole and Ms. Sumner's, what part of the book is this right here? This whole part right there. And it's what Ms. Sir, I'll let Ms. Sir, she'll be our student. Ms. Sir, what is this part of the book?
That's the front cover.
Correct. So if I turn it around, what would this be?
That would be the back cover.
Good job. And now everybody has one of these going up their back. Helps us to sit up straight. Mr. Sykes doesn't always sit up straight, but if I have my spine lined up and straight, that is what holds up the book, the spine. All right, so on the front cover, the big words, we're talking about the big letters. The big letters is what part of the book, Miss Serwick?
That's the title.
The title, exactly. And right here, you can barely see it, but in little bitty letters is someone who wrote the book. Who is that, Ms. Serwick?
That's the author.
The author, and the author of this book is Wendy Auger. And guess what? There's no photographs in this book because guess what? This book is it's actually a nonfiction book. It's teaching us something today. So nonfiction is what? True. It's not a false fiction. So we're going to be learning something today from this book. And there are no photographs, though. We've talked about nonfiction having lots of photographs. Well, today the pictures are painted and drawn. So that means it took a person who could draw and paint. And that person is called
The illustrator.
The illustrator. Good job. And the illustrator in this book is Martin Whitfuth. And so he drew all these nice, beautiful pictures in this. So let's turn the page. And look at that. On the very first page that we turn, here's another part of the book you've learned about. Ms. Serwick, which part is this?
That's the title page.
The title page. Good job. All right. Here we go. Draw an O. That's 0. Draw an O. that's 0. A straight, let me get this right. There we go. A straight line down, that's a 1. That's 1. Around and back on a railway track, toot toot, that's the number 2. Around a tree, and around a tree, that's 3. Down and over and down some more, that's 4. Now, if you have to pause and look at the numbers at the bottom of the page, that's showing you arrows to show how to make the number correctly. Squirmy 5 goes down and around. Put a hat on top and see what you found. Number 5. A line and a loop. 6 rolls like a hoop. Across the sky and down from heaven, that's 7. Make a snake, but do not wait. Climb back up to make an 8. A loop and a line, that's a 9. A 1 and a 0, write a 10 and you're a hero. All right, boys and girls, let's see. This is what I like the best. On the back are all of the numbers, and it shows the arrows to write the numbers correctly. So if you want to pause this, and so that you can see and be able to write the numbers correctly, you can do that now or wait until after the video. All right, I'll hold it here for just a second. You can pause it. All right, good job. So that just shows us the correct way to make numbers. It's very important that we learn how to write our numbers and letters correctly. All right, thanks a lot for
Great
that.
job. I love that book. All right, now you're going to need your counters and your whiteboard. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold up this train track. I'm going to point to a number, and you're going to build a tower using your counting cubes, and I want you to write that number on your whiteboard. So that's going to give you practice counting and practice writing. All right, so the first number I want you to build with your tower, and I'm not going to tell you the number, you got to do it on your own. This number right here. You can pause the video if you need to. All right, now I want you to check your answer with Mr. Sykes, see if you got it right. Number 2, and you should have 2 cubes.
Did you know that was the number 2? I hope so.
All right, the next number I want you to build, this number. Okay, we're going to check our answer. Number 5. And you should have 5 counting cubes. Good job. Now I want you to build this number. Okay, let's check it.
And what number did you say this was? Huh? It's the number 7. So if we have 7, then we're going to have 7 cubes. You have 7? I do. All right, good job.
All right, here's your next one. See if you can build that one.
I remember that one. Around the tree and around the tree. That's the way we make up what? What number is that? Let's see if you got it. I think I have it. And let's see if you have the cubes. Count the cubes. We have the number what? 3. Good job.
All right, we're going to do one more. Let's see if you can do this one. It's the big number.
Oh, wow.
All right, you ready to check?
All right. a 1 and a 0.
What does
Now
that
you're
make?
the, what?
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, that's all right. 1 and a 0. Now you're the hero. What number is that? Look what did, I used all of my cubes because it's the number, what? The number 10.
10.
Good
Good
job.
job.
Excellent. All right. That was fun, Miss Searle. I like that game.
What if Mr. Sykes has another game for you coming up?
What is my game?
Guess that number.
I think this is how we're going to play it. I have my number line up here, and we've got numbers 0 all the way to 10. This game, I'm going to cover up a number, but you have to play by doing this. You have to cover up your eyes or close your eyes, turn away from the screen, anything you want to do, and I'm going to cover up a number. And when I say open your eyes, then you can open your eyes, all right? All right, close your eyes, no peeking. All right. Open your eyes. Look at my number line. What number is missing? How are you going to find out? Well, you could start by counting from the number 1, because when we start counting, we always start with the number 1, because on a number line, 0 is usually not there. But start with 1 and count up to that number. And what did you come up with? You can pause it and count, talk to your buddy, your mom, your dad, whoever's there with you, and see what number you come up with. All right, are you ready? It's the number 4, sure. All right, you ready? Another, close your eyes. Nope, close them. All right, good. All right, I'm covering up another one. Open your eyes. What number's missing? All right, pause it, talk, come back. All right, did you come up with this number? The number, let's practice one just to show. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What'd you say? Is it 7? Good job. That is perfect. All right, you ready? We can do an easy one now. Close your eyes. All right, open it. Oh, what number's missing? What number's missing? That's tricky. Did you come up with 0? Good job. That was perfect. All right, we're going to do one more, and this is going to be maybe easy, maybe hard. Ready? Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3, close. All right, open. It's the one at the very far end. So what'd you come up with? You want to count it? Okay, ready? I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to point. You count with for me, all right? What did you think? Is it the number 10? If you said 10, then you're right. That's a lot of fun. So if you want to, you can play that game if at home by just making your own number line and you cover up a number and have your mom or your dad or your VIP buddy guess which number you're covering up, and then they can do the same thing for you. It's a fun game that you can just play by yourself or with a friend or with a family member. All right, thanks a lot. That was a lot of fun. And what else do we have?
This is the part where they're going to need their 10 frames and their counting cubes, because we're going to make the number 10.
Oh, make the number 10. How are we going to do that? All right, you ready? So we're going to come up with our 10 frame, and we're going to use you got your 10 frame out, and you got your cubes. All right, so here's what we're going to do. I don't have a magnetic cube, so I'm going to use my dots to show you, and you can follow along, all right? Ready. So if we're going to make the number 10, we're going to start with what number? Well, we start with the number 1. So we're going to go ahead and just put those there. We're going to count. Are they going to count their cubes on there, or are they going to write the numbers?
They're going to count, and then we'll write the number at the end.
All right. So we've got a 1, You count for me. What's that last one? We've got a full 10 frame right there, boys and girls. Go ahead and count with me one time. I'll count with you this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. A full 10 frame right there. Good job, boys and girls. And did we want them to write their numbers?
Yes, absolutely. We want you to practice writing your numbers every day, 0 through 10. And be sure to keep counting to 25.
Right, that's real important.
All right, that's all for today, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow.
All right, thanks, guys and girls.